Hey friends and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix failure to start the process for this game and application control policy has blocked this file. In this video seeing before we begin, like and comment this video and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. Now follow the all steps one by one follow to this problem fix it. Let's go ahead that first step run as admin. So for that go to the desktop, find that application, just select right click on it and click on the properties. Then go to the calendar tab. Then checkbox select the calendar mode. Below checkbox select the run this program as administrator. Once it done, hit the apply and OK button. Click here to close it. Now come to back. Go to the start menu. Click on the power button and choose the restart button. Click here to restart your system. After that, check it that game or application. If this still not working, then go to the next step. So for that, next step, disable the unwanted apps install settings. So for that, go to the Windows search bar and type Windows Security. You can click on it and open. Then you will be see the virus and threat protection. Just click on it. Then scroll down and click on the manage settings. Then scroll down and you can see the add remove exclusion selected. Then select the add-on exclusion. Then choose the file. Then you can go to the desktop, find that shortcut with the game with shortcut, find out and select, add here that game. So come to back, then restart your system. If this try to still not working, then go to the same like that step. So go to the Windows security. Then you can click on the virus and that protection. Then you can click on the apps and browse controller. Then here you can see the reputation based protection settings. Click on it and scroll down. Here you can see the potential unwanted app blocking. Just click on to if it's turn it on, simply turn it off. After that, come to back, restart your system, then your problem fix it. If this try to still not working, then go to the next step, disable the third party antivirus. After that, verify your game file. So for that, go to the Steam, double tap to open it, and then go to that library, find that game, find and click on it that game, then go to the settings and click on the choose the properties. After that, you you can click on the install files. After that, come to here, verify integrated game files, click here. Sometimes if you verify integrated game files, click to that game files automatically recover it. So come to back, once it verified, then come to back, then restart your system, then your problem definitely fix it now. Then if this try to still not working, finally you reinstall your game. If you have any doubt, comment section go to comment. I give the answer. If this method working or not working, comment section go to comment. And don't forget subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.